Okay, so here we have this gorgeous Barbie style number four, and I think she's definitely rocking this outfit from Colombia. I love it so much. Actually, these outfits are really nice quality, so the material used is really nice. The details are very nice as well. There are different fabrics, all combined. It has a lot of volume all around, and it's like very vibrant. The flower motif as well that you can just wrap around for her hair is just amazing. One thing I want to say though, is that when I was like, obviously the sunglasses weren't like an option for this outfit, and I was like taking them very carefully, but they actually broke in the middle. And even though I was incredibly delicate when taking it off, so I don't know if this might help you just to be extra careful. Luckily it's like a very clean cut, and I think I will be able to glue it back together. But anyway, I'm super happy with her. I think she looks gorgeous with this outfit. She really does. It's almost like I want to leave her like this for a while because I can get enough of her. And as you can see, the outfit on its own, it's quite big all around. Obviously, it was pinned all together. So right now, I just need to play with my fingers and make it puffy, but I mean, it's not difficult at all, and she looks so beautiful. And again, this is like from Barbie Around the World collection. I will be showcasing many countries, but I really wanted to start with Colombia, and I think it's pretty cool because yeah, I also wanted to showcase this doll that I actually received just yesterday. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video and it's been helpful. And if you have, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that way you will stay tuned for my future videos. For now, I hope you all stay safe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.